Do you guys want to see how I got my hair from this to this? Hi guys, I'm here with celebrity hairstylist Joseph Maine, and I was just telling him about how I normally style my hair, and he has some good tips for me, so we're going to show you guys.
So London was telling me that she typically puts an oil on her hair before curling, so I had to tell her about the Extra Shine Spray by Color Wow. This is something you can spray throughout your hair before using any thermal tools, and it's both going to act as a thermal protectant, and it's going to melt into your hair to give you this really gorgeous, rich, glass-like shine. Let me show you guys how it works. So we're starting with just a light mist. We just finished a few strands, and look at these results. This side looks so hydrated and shiny compared to the side we haven't styled yet. What do you think?
Yes, the difference is crazy and it feels so soft.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like you have anything in your hair. This is also going to be so great for ensuring your extensions don't get tangly throughout the day. This looks insane. Have you ever seen your hair shine like this?
No.
It's incredible. It looks so
good.
healthy. I love it. This is definitely going home with you.